Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to unmute yourself on Google Meet using your phone. Whether you are on Android or iPhone, the steps are the same and super simple, so let's get started. First of all, join the meeting. First, open the Google Meet on your app and make sure your device is connected to the internet. After that, by default sometime your mic may be muted when you join, especially if there are a lot of participants. First of all, join a class. Click invite link that you have been provided, or you can join from the code, and if you enter a code and simply hit join, you will enter the class. After that, look at the mic button. Open your screen. You will see the toolbar at the bottom. At the bottom you will see the toolbar, and look at the microphone icon. If the icon is red with a slash through it, that means you are muted. And another step is to unmute yourself. To unmute, simply tap the microphone icon once. After you have tapped again, the slash will disappear and the icon will turn white, meaning your microphone is now active and people can hear you. Again, to mute again, if you want to mute yourself again, just tap the microphone icon one more time, and it's best practice to stay muted when you are not speaking to avoid the background noise. And that's it. You know how to unmute yourself on Google Meet using your phone. If this helped, make sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.